Hi everyone, my name's Max from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're going to take a look at this 2009 Suzuki GSXR1000. We're going to be scrolling through the listing on our website, which you could see for yourself by clicking the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching up the item ID we have posted in the top left corner. Let's get into it. To start off, this bike has 28,470 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. We'll take a scroll through our comprehensive list of checks. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 13.9 volts, its front tire tread depth at 330 seconds, and its rear tire tread depth at 830 seconds. When we test rode this vehicle, we found it to run, shift, and handle properly with no abnormal sounds or vibrations. We published the actual service repair order on these vehicles so you can see exactly what we've done to them and what we've invested in them when we put them through our shop. As far as cosmetic blemishes are concerned, on a vehicle of this age and mileage, we're going to point out everything that in our opinion is above normal wear and tear. And in this vehicle, we have some scrapes on both sides of the exhaust, scrapes on the bottom of the engine casing, and a paint blemish on the side fairing with a crack in the plastics. This vehicle comes with an owner's manual and toolkit located under the seat, one key, and has been upgraded with a rear fender eliminator kit and a plate bracket. This bike is a clear title, and we've also purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report so you can see all the details of that title. This bike is being sold opportunity as is without a warranty. However, additional coverage options are available. Finally, we offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.